In this video, I'm going to show you how to silence text messages on your iPhone. So I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to do this. Now, the first thing you can do is you can use your finger to swipe down in the top right hand side of your phone. You can then click on Do Not Disturb and you can turn on the Do Not Disturb mode. Now, this will silence all of your notifications, including your text messages. Now, if you just specifically want to silence your text messages, then go and open up the settings on your phone and you can scroll all the way down to notifications and click on this, and then you'll need to scroll down this list and click on messages. To disable all text message notifications, turn off allow notifications, and this will stop both sound and also banner notifications. If you just want to disable the sound, you can turn on allow notifications and you can scroll down and click on sounds. Where it says alert tones, change this to none, and this is just going to silence the sound on the notifications, but it still means you'll receive the banner notification on your phone. Now, finally, you can also silence notifications for a specific sender. So if you go and open up your messages, you can go and swipe over to the right hand side of the contact you want to mute, and then you can click on this mute button next to it, and that's going to silence this particular sender. So that's how to silence your messages on your iPhone.